Hi, I'm Rod Deichman.
And I'm Robin Deichman.
Thanks so much for your continued interest in library workshops. With summer just around the corner, we wanted to give you an update as to our progress, introduce a few new workshops, and talk a little bit about the future of the program.
Well, as you know, we've been in the building phase for more than a year, testing workshops, gathering support, finding teachers, organizing classes, designing the website, finding community partners, and last month, we finally removed the training wheels, pushed ourselves forward, and officially launched the program.
Our first small business workshop, thanks to our partnership with the O'Fallon Shiloh Chamber of Commerce, thanks Debbie, was a huge success. I mean, we saw more than 40 people pack the O'Fallon Library for a fun early afternoon workshop on video marketing. The overwhelming interest spurred 2 follow-up workshops, which we quickly put together and put into circulation. Well, within a few weeks, students returned to take more classes on the subject. And to further emphasize its success, more than 95% of all attendees had never visited the library before. I mean, as you can imagine, this really flamed our fire.
Well, following that, we held our first pasta making workshop at the Smithton Library, and again, it was a resounding success. We packed the library's small community area for an exciting evening of hands-on pasta making fun. And again, new people appeared at the library who had never been there before, some traveling from other communities to participate. A huge thanks, of course, goes out to Jenna for making such a great accommodations and to Lacey for being such an amazing instructor. Rock on! We followed that up with 2 more events, one at the Highland and one at the Belleville libraries. Jamie Gold offered a fresh look at Instagram for small business owners, and Julie Lawrence dived headfirst into the truth behind essential oils. Informative and fun.
It was, and what we learned from all of this was that when people heard about the program, about the workshops, well, they came. This happened because people shared the news. They told their family, they told their friends, and their coworkers. This then spread like crazy over everyone's social media. Now, keep in mind, however, that the program is still very new. I mean, it's not on anyone's radar. I mean, sure, we've done great, but we need your help in making it continue. Getting that word out right now is and probably will always be our greatest challenge.
Well, and to that end, we've launched our own Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram pages, and on these we'll be posting workshop updates, insights, schedules, and more. Plus, we'll be sending out emails such as this and videos letting you know what's going on with the program. If you could share, post, and forward these notices, these events, these photos to whoever you believe would be interested, that would make a huge difference. Really, it would.
No, it would, and please keep in mind that people are now traveling to other libraries. I mean, people from Centralia are now taking workshops in Belleville. People from Glencarbon are going to Smithton. People from Highland are finding their way to Carlisle, and so on. So when we ask you to share a post, we're not talking about just the one that affects your library. We're talking about all libraries. Well, keep in mind that Library Workshop is about building advocacy, building a community of supporters for the entire library brand. It's about getting people excited about coming back to the library. And that's going to take a concentrated effort, a shared effort from all of us.
Well, we have much more to pass on, of course, including news of our new partnership with Regions Bank. They'll be providing free personal and small business financial workshops. Our new technology checkout website page, where we'll highlight all of the tech that can be either issued or checked out from our partnered libraries. Our new Small Business Success Center, our new video production and vlogging training program, and more. But, we'll just have to do that a little bit later.
Well, keep in mind that we'll be visiting all the partner libraries this week to hammer out an amazing summer schedule. Well, together we can make a real difference in the lives of our family, friends, and neighbors. Together, we can make an impact, an even greater impact in our community.
We look forward to seeing and working with everyone soon. Thanks once again for your interest and support of Library Workshops.
And we'll see you at the library.